Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily Dvar. And here's a brand new halacha for you, and it's for Thursday, the 3rd day of February. Here we go. Let's say you were saying the Shemona Esrei, and you're just getting to the end, and you notice that the Chazan is just getting to the end of a bracha, and there's an important Amen coming up to the end of the bracha that the Chazan is saying. You can't answer to it just yet because you're still finishing up your Shemona Esrei, but you're noticing this. The congregation is saying the Amen kind of long. It's taking like 3 or 4 seconds for them all to say it. And your Shemona Esrei is just wrapping up just then. And by the time you finish your Shemona Esrei, you could jump in and join the end of the long Amen that the congregation was saying. Could you then say the Amen with them since you're at least getting the tail end of their saying the Amen? The answer is yes, you could. Since they're saying Amen, and they're still kind of hanging and they're still in the middle of it, and you now just became available, you could say Amen with them at that moment. Also, if it ever happens that you walk into Shul and you hear the whole congregation saying Amen, and you know what bracha they're answering Amen to, you could tell by the place that they're at in davening. You didn't actually hear the Chazan say the bracha, but you hear the big Amen that's coming after it. So can you answer Amen with them? You know what you're saying Amen to. Yes, it is true that something. I know what they're all saying and I'm joining with them, but I didn't actually hear the Chazan say it. So can I say ditto to that if I actually didn't end up hearing it? And the answer is yes, you could. Since they are saying Amen to the big bracha that the Chazan just made, and you know what the Amen is, you can jump in and join in with them and say that Amen and say, yeah, I'm with them in okaying or agreeing to what it is that the Chazan just said. I know what they're all agreeing, so I can jump in and say Amen with them. The answer is yes, you could. So those are 2 halachas for you, how you can join an Amen a little bit late. You know what the congregation is saying, you jump in with them and say it just as they're trailing off saying the end. You'll be totally fine, and you are allowed to do that. Thanks for logging on. Log on again tomorrow for more. Bye-bye.